of another new Turn 4 automotive project here in the shop. A Lexus IS300, our employee Corey bought it. Just last night we drove it back from Rhode Island slowly because of the wheel bearing coming apart on it, and due to only having 3 lug studs holding the wheel spacer on. But we drove it back nonetheless. We got it here and went over this morning without very many hopes and dreams, but turns out this car's not that bad. It's got some decent modifications already done to it. Megan Racing white pipe, Mitsubishi radiator, BC coilovers, Eibach rear sway bar. It does have aluminum flywheel and upgraded clutch, as we saw. Very decent little car here. We were pretty scared that there was going to be a lot of rust that we would find underneath it, and really the only rust that's on the car is what's visible. So a couple of bottom of the doors, which is a pretty easy fix, and some bent over pinch welds. So this is going to be a fun project that we're going to have here in the shop. Anyone that doesn't know these cars, 2jz-ge, so the non-turbo 2jz motor. This one is the beloved 5-speed, so a manual car. These ones hold a pretty premium. We're going to build it up and first get it going in good stock form. We're going to do some visual aesthetics to it. We got wheels on order. We're going to fix wheel studs and wheel bearings and get this thing back in mechanically sound condition, and then proceed to work on the body work on it a little bit and get it so it's a good platform for a turbo kit down the road. So this is going to be a 2jz GTE turbo swap eventually. But in the meantime, we're going to show you some videos on how to look over a car when you first buy it, take it to a mechanic, or look it over the best you can while you pick it up down in Rhode Island like we did, and show you how we can fix the small things by ourselves, save ourselves some money, and then get it ready for a good platform for mods in the future. We'll put all these in a separate playlist, so the IS300 playlist if you want to watch these videos, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching.